You got it. Hold on. Good. Hold on your rails. Good. Hold on. Good. Does she normally lead with her right or her left?
Left.
Okay. That can be part of the issue. Good. Push. You got it. Push, push, push. Okay. There you go. Good girl. Okay. Let's get these feet a little wider. All right. Lead with this one. Good. That was much less work for me. Arms up. Okay. Step. Good. You lost a little bit. You started. Push up. Push. Good. Now this is where it gets interesting.
Oh, and that smile.
This is where it gets interesting. Can you reach this one? It's a little wide. Good. Good lifting. Good. Push. Good. Now we're going to reach down. Reach down. You're okay. Reach down. And then we kind of crawl in. So we'll lift up with this one. There you go. I gotcha. There you go.